How to add funds to your Uber Eats wallet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add funds to your Uber Eats wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll need to do is head over to your account option on the bottom right. After you do that, there you will see the wallet section. Tap on the wallet and you should be on your wallet on your Uber Eats. So there you can see the Uber Cash. If I tap on it, it will take me to this where it'll show me my monthly activity. And there you can see vouchers and how I can add voucher codes. So what you'll need to do to actually add funds is simply use a payment method. So you can tap on add payment method and choose any one of these, so you can connect with your bank account directly, or you can choose any of those other options. You can use credit or debit card as well, and you can start loading up your money on your wallet, and it's that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.